if I ask any of you to go in a corner for time out, what that means is, because of that one person, the whole class is getting distracted. I don't think any of you want to be that person, right? Don't do that. Okay? Everybody focus on yourself. Everybody on yourself. Yourself. I talked to that just now. To yourself. What I'm trying to say is, only be worried about yourself. Friendship is outside this door. Inside this is a classroom. Is that funny? No? Not be that. Alright. Whoever is feeling like laughing, I can give you a 2-minute laughter break, but that will be outside this class. It will be like a timeout. Don't do that. So, now let's look at, we looked at Gaushika's syllabus. Everything looks okay except 2 topics? Everybody in the class will get the attention provided you allow me to. So, the only 2 topics that you have. For that, you will talk to your parents. Tell me whether you and Kavyan want to come on one of the days from 6 to 7 p.m. That will be better because on the, in the online mode, no sound. In the online mode, it is at the mercy of the network. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. And then I don't get the confidence. Okay? If you guys are here in front of me, I feel much better, much easier to explain something to you guys. Okay? And I can at least make out that whether whatever I'm saying is reaching you or not. Are you confident or not? Okay? Alright. So you will check and let me know Gaushika and Kavyan, okay? Whatever topic we have to cover. I will come to you. I will come to you. Everybody has to have the basic etiquette of waiting till your turn. I said.
It's not the turn thing. I just did my wrong note.
I'll come to you.
No.
Shh, everybody.
I didn't want you to know that this is my last book, so.
I'll come to you guys. It's okay. So, Kavya and Gaushika, you guys are clear, right?
Yeah.
And the only window you guys have is from Monday to Friday this week. After that, I'll be gone to India for 2 weeks. But I will do online classes. You will not have the luxury of doing it.
Why are you in India?
My brother is getting married.
Yay!
I'm not happy for my brother's marriage. Why you are so happy about it? You guys don't need a reason to get distracted. That's a very, very sad state. Okay, don't do that. Now, Kavya and Gaushika's plan done. Now let's look at Arav
Me?
and no, I'll come to you. You are in 4th grade. You are in 3rd grade.
Who's my
You are in 4th grade.
I'm supposed to be in 5th grade, but yeah. Oh yeah. You're in 10 years
She is also in 4th grade. Okay, let's do the 4th grade thing quickly. You will keep quiet, you will wait for your turn, both of you. I'm looking at the 4th graders quickly, okay?
Me?
So you same thing for you also, Arav and Adav. Arav and Adri.
And Myra.
And Myra, you will deal with
I'm
it at
supposed to
home.
be in 5th.
Okay, so for you guys,
I'm raising my head to say the syllables.
huh?
I'm raising my head to say the syllables.
What is that?
I'm raising my head to.
I'll come to you. I'll hear it from all of you, okay? And we'll go quickly, okay? It will be like a quick fire. Things that we have
Like
covered,
5
I don't want.
minutes? Is it like 5 minutes and then someone else 5 minutes? or
1 grade, 10 minutes. That's what we'll do, okay? So, okay, Adit, chill, pill, take it easy, whatever it is. Okay. You have a lot of problems to solve.
No. This is not a problem.
Okay. Now I have a problem when somebody starts talking in parallel. Okay, I'm looking at the 4th graders. What are the topics that we have? And let's see what we know versus what we don't know. Quickly.
Fractions.
Wait, fractions. Okay? Okay, what else?
Multiplication.
Multiplication, okay?
Decimals.
Okay?
Division.
Okay?
And quadrilaterals.
Division, okay? Quadrilaterals.
Yeah. And geometry. That's what I looked up.
That's it?
Yeah.
Anything else that you have written, Sania?
Area and perimeter.
Area and perimeter, okay?
Oh yeah.
Area perimeter of what? Triangles, quadrilaterals, circle.
Quadrilaterals.
quadrilaterals. Yeah, that's what I. Okay. Anything is remaining? Okay. Kavyan here. Tell me if we missed any of the topics here.
Huh?
Any of the topic that is for grade 4 for your STAAR test.
I have division.
Division.
Oh, yeah.
Division is there. Just that my writing is not good. Okay.
And some angles.
Angles.
Oh, yeah. Last time I encountered there's like these shapes. It
Okay.
says one of them has acute. Does any of them have acute?
Okay.
Right? Something like that.
That, okay. So, okay. Now, if everybody stays quiet, I'll only ask the people whom I need to ask, so that I can finish this and then come to grade 5. Okay. So that is in your interest to stay quiet. All right. Now, everybody here. I'll come to fraction later. Tell me if you guys know how to do multiplication. Did I ask you?
I'm not 20.
I'm asking 4th graders right now. I'm just trying to see if they're ready for the STAAR test or not.
I'm not 24.
You're ready? You know multiplication?
17.
You'll not go wrong with multiplication?
Same.
Same? Same? I'm not
I know
touching
it's
that.
24 times.
And it's recorded. If you go wrong with the multiplication, it's not me responsible. You said that you are
24
clear.
times 3.
Okay. Now, when you say multiplication, don't go blabbering. When you say multiplication, you're simply saying you can do 1-digit multiplication, 2-digit multiplication, 3-digit multiplication.
We haven't learned multiplication, but we can do it.
You can do it, right?
Same.
And we have not learned in the school, but we have done it here, right?
Yeah.
I have shown you guys 4 or 5-digit multiplication also. And it's all the same, approach is the same. That's why I keep telling you guys that I don't care about the answer. I care about the approach, because that is what matters. That is what is your learning. So if you know the approach for multiplying this with this, you can multiply this with this also. And same way you can multiply 187 by this also.
Yeah.
You just go in a sequence. That's all. Yeah? So you're not doing it right now. We don't have to do it something which is not going to be of much use. I'm assuming that you're doing it and we have done it enough. Request to you all would be at home, at least pick all the topics that you noted down. Ask your parents, siblings, whoever at home, then give me a few sums on this one. Let's see. Let me see if I can do it correctly. Do some practice, okay? That's for everybody. Kavya, Sanya, and Isha. Okay? Same thing for you guys also. Whatever topic we have talked about, make sure that you pick some sums. Try doing it. If you're getting stuck, ask me immediately. Alright. So, first one is done. Multiplication, I'm not worrying about. Decimals. I'll come to that later, okay? Decimals and fractions I'll come to later. Division. What division are you talking about? 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit division. Hey, Shan, no, that is none of your business right now. Let him say.
Wait, what? Divisor, dividend, quotient, and remainder.
Remainder, okay. So, what kind of division we are talking about? Are we talking about dividing this, or are we talking about dividing this? 2 digit, 3 digit division, or we are talking about
We're talking about well, we're doing like the bottom one, but like a little bit more complicated.
more complicated meaning, bigger one?
Yeah, like
What is that complicated division?
no,
I could do it. I could do it.
No, I'm not saying it's
6
complicated.
divided by 18.
I said we're doing that one, but it's gonna be like more complicated.
Okay, so let me do one thing. I will ask one of you to come and do division here on the board.
Only for the raid.
I'm
Okay.
gonna raise my hand to why were you
I'll come to you guys. I mean, you guys have been learning English since you were born. I started learning English when I was in my 12th grade.
Good raid.
So you guys know English much more than I do. Still, if I'm not able to explain things to you in English, that is unfortunate.
But I have to learn. Imagine just taking this.
You want to say a word? Fabian? It is none of your business to talk about fourth grade. You guys have left fourth grade long time ago. I'll come to you. You guys will get a chance. Luckily, you both are only there from fifth grade.
No, Maya too.
Maya is not there today. If you're doing today, she will not be able to.
Did she disappear? She went
No,
out
she
with her
went
cousins.
went out with her cousins.
She like flied to Australia.
That is not a mathematical problem. Everybody keep quiet. I'm just watching what he's doing.
I'm trying to find two.
Uh-huh.
It's not working.
It's not working.
Oh, it's not.
Okay. No, okay. I have to. Okay. I'll bring this question down so that you can do it. 165. I accept. So it's very important that pay attention in the class. Every time, no, I'll not say the name. I don't want to say the name of the video. I'm saying. Okay. You got it.
Gonna check.
Okay.
What is our main
Okay. Why do I bring you guys to the board? I can as well do all the sums, right? But I'm asking you guys to come here because when you try doing it, it's like you're teaching somebody. And when you teach somebody, that is a chance to say whether that is a chance to evaluate whether you have learned something or not. Because I can always assume that I know everything, but when it comes to me teaching something to somebody, that is when I get exposed to whether I have actually learned it well or not. So that's a chance for everybody, okay? So that's why I don't let one person come always, because I want everybody to get that chance so that I can see that confidence, okay? That's why I stop you guys. But for you, I would want you to practice some, okay? I will give this message to all the parents that please give some sums to the kids on the topic that they have for STAAR test. It's already listed down here, right? This is in the video as well. So they can also check it and make sure that.
They could also get the website from the old stars and like actually like.
No, I'm not wanting them to go for a treasure hunt. See, I'm just giving them a pinpointed information one place so that you can do it. Okay. Okay. Now, because I know everybody's parents like me is busy, right? They have enough work from Monday to Friday. So I will not say, okay, just because I'm saying so, go spend 2 hours to figure out what all the kids have to prepare. So everything is there in this video. Initial 5 minutes if you watch, you will know what are the syllabus. And then make sure that you give some sums to the kid. And whenever you find the kid getting stuck, ask them to reach out to me. Okay? Now, so we looked at the division part. So division is very simple. I will probably just do that in a step by step in a simple way like a kid would do. Okay? If I have to do this, okay, divide by 7. The way I will start is, I'll pick up the first number from here. Is 1 greater than 7? No. Let me pick 2 numbers, 2 digits. 16. Is 16 greater than 7? Yes. I can start now. So 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. So I go to 2. 14. What is happening now? I have 2 remaining. In the division thing, one number comes by itself always. I don't have to worry about it. The next number is 4. That comes down, slides down. Now 24. I go with the table of 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28. So I cannot go to 7 4 is 28. I can go to 7 3 is 21. I'll write 7 3 is 21. I have 3 remaining here. Now, as I said, one digit comes down by itself. I don't have to put any effort. It comes down. Now 7 5 is 35. I'll do 7 5 is 35. Okay? What comes down? 9.
That's 5.
This is 9.
Oh.
5 is 4.
Oh.
So now 9 is bigger than 7. So 7 1 is 7.
1 remaining.
2. Now this is where I will stop because there is no number left. All done?
Remainder of 2.
No, you're not going there. You're not going there. Decimal we are not talking about.
You do have a trick up your sleeve.
Huh?
This is for
You
me.
have a trick up. You do have a trick up your sleeve.
What is that? Say that again.
You do have a trick up your sleeve.
Where?
My sleeve? It's an idiom.
Where is my sleeve?
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay.
It's an idiom.
It's an idiom. Okay. I was wondering.
That's
Anyways, calm down. Everybody calm down. Everybody calm down. You guys making me shout actually. Not good. Unnecessary talks will waste time. Okay, coming back. Because there will be kids coming at 5 o'clock. If I keep on wasting time here, by the time they come, there will be no time left for the 5th graders. Okay, let's continue. So, this is simple maths. Everybody okay with this? Sania, you are fine with this? Tasvik, you are fine with this? Because division will be there for you also, right? Yeah? This part is clear, right? No issues? Division, step by step? Okay. Alright. So, everybody who is not in grade 4 will keep us quiet to the best possible extent.
Yes, sir.
That was also not needed. Okay, so coming back. Okay, division part, I am assuming that you guys don't have to worry about. Now let's look at quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, anybody has any doubt? What are the quadrilaterals? Do you guys know?
four-sided shape.
What? Only 4th graders.
Oh, sorry.
Unless you guys have any doubt about your grades.
Y'all are quadrilaterals.
And what do you mean?
No,
I don't know. I'm literally clueless. Trust me. These are only 4 quadrilaterals. Sorry, 5. Or you can say 6.
Yeah, trapezoid.
No.
These are 6 quadrilaterals that you deal with. Now tell me, any of you who are in 4th grade has any doubt about these 6 types? Or do you know the property of this? Isha? It's okay. If he wants to go out, he will go out. You have to follow him. So tell me here, any of these quadrilaterals, if you have any doubt about the property, what it is. This is a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Every angle is 90 degrees. Opposite side, hands down, hands down. No, you don't have any doubt till, I'm not even talking to you right now. I'm finishing grade 4. Let me finish grade 4 so that I can do something for grade 5. Otherwise, we'll not have any time for you. You'll be losing. Okay. All quadrilaterals, rectangle, opposite sides equal and parallel. All angles 90 degrees. That's the only property. Nothing more. Okay. Square, all sides same. Every angle 90 degrees. Done. Trapezoid, only one pair of sides parallel. That's it. Rhombus, a squeezed version of a square, meaning all sides are equal, but these angles are not 90 degree. None of the angles are 90 degree. Okay? Kite, only the 2 top and 2 bottom adjacent sides are equal in length. No other formula, no other property. Are you guys clear about these properties? Kavya, Ishan. Rhombus and square, what is the main difference?
The rhombus is like a square but like smushed.
A squeezed version of square. What that makes? What is a more meaningful way to describe it? In square, all the angles will be 90 degrees. Yeah.
The square has a right angle and a rhombus has a 2 and a
Up to you, sir. Yes. That is the other
let's
thing.
do that for you.
Yes. Normally, like with a rectangle, it's L times W, but with a square, it's L times L.
Yes, that's the area. Yeah. And perimeter, okay. So since you have started that thing, Sania, you are clear about this, all these properties. Now, we need to talk about area. Everybody knows what is area, the space it takes. The area of the phone, here, this much space it is taking, right?
So you have to
Area of my slipper, this is the area space is taking.
Area volumes. You mean surface
I'm talking about the surface, that's what I'm saying. Don't complicate problems just because you love complicating things, okay? Try keeping things simple also at times. How much area do I need to stand on the floor? It is the area taken by the slipper. Yeah?
The area would
Yeah? So area is very simple. It's the space taken by this guy. Now, I'm not even seeing you right now.
Is it 12 inches because it's a foot?
So, no, so see, I need to be mindful of the time, beta. If you guys don't understand that, it is you who's going to lose it, okay? I don't want you to lose. If I'm talking about area for rectangle is length times width. Yeah? Area for a square is length times width. But length and width are both same, so it becomes length to length. Yeah? What is the perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but the length of the boundary. If somebody says, what is the perimeter of this house? I'll just count the boundary of the house and find out. That is the perimeter.
Does that include like a garden or something?
I said, no, that's why here you are complicating it. I said, what is the perimeter of the house? Meaning the total boundary of the house. How do I count it all? So when I'm talking about grade 4, you guys just listen to it. You don't have a chance to ask. That is how I can save time. Okay, so that is the perimeter. If I'm talking about a perimeter of this guy, if somebody says this is 3 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, I'll just add them up. That is my perimeter. Because this is one boundary, this is second boundary, this is third boundary. This is the length of the string or the rope that I need for covering the place. That is perimeter. Okay? So here the perimeter will be 1 length, 2 length. 1 width, 2 width. That is how the 2 times length plus width. Here it will be what? 4 times length, because everything is length. Length, 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 length. Okay? This is the area and perimeter of a square and a rectangle. That's what I believe would be asked to you guys in the 4th grade. Anything that I'm missing?
I remembered a dot plot and a stem and leaf plot.
Say that again?
Yeah.
A dot plot and a stem and leaf.
Okay, so dot plot and
Stem and leaf. Yeah, stem and leaf plot.
7 leaf plot.
I know that one.
Steadily.
Okay, we'll come to that. So, so for dot plot, we had a class. Somebody left the water bottle in the last class. I don't know whose it is. Make sure you don't forget to take it back while going back. Okay. So now dot plot, we had a class. We talked about that. I'll give you the link for that one. So what I would suggest is, with your help, with your dad's help, send me the list of the topics that we have not covered here. If we have had a class, I'll just give you the link for that one. Just go through it once, and if needed, you are just next to us. Okay? So Monday to Friday, 6 to 7 p.m. I'll be in this room. Just walk by. Just give me a message that uncle, I'm here this time. Done. Okay? All right. So area and rectangle, area and perimeter we talked about for square and but perimeter is something that you don't have any formula for. Perimeter is just the length of the boundary. So any shape, any object that people say, this is a pentagon. Guys, if you stop playing, that will be good for you. If you have a pentagon, if somebody says find out the perimeter for this, you will just add the length of all the sides, and that is what the perimeter would be.
That's an irregular.
I'm sorry?
That's an irregular pentagon.
Huh?
Irregular.
Any shape. I'm saying any shape, any polygon. If somebody says find out the perimeter of a hexagon, okay, where each side is 8 centimeter.
What?
This is 8 centimeter, 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 this is 8 centimeter.
That is not balanced.
Huh?
That side is not 8 centimeters.
That is a waste of time. Let's not talk about it. I said that if you get a question which says find out the perimeter of all the perimeter of the hexagon if all the sides are 8 centimeter. I might not have drawn it well, but I'm saying that is the question. That is the question. You just add the length of all the sides. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. That is what is perimeter. Okay. Okay. So area, perimeter we tried. Quadrilateral we talked about. Rest all you have done by yourself. Division we talked about. Decimal, multiplication we talked about. Fraction, decimal. These are 2 things that we have to quickly touch upon. C. Yeah.
No, just no, I didn't. I was the first person.
So much of stretching. You guys are getting older at a very young age.
I know, right?
I think they're just tired, so they want to get fresh.
Yeah.
Okay, come back. Come back to the class. Decimals and fractions. We have learned fractions and the operations, meaning what is a fraction? When something is broken into pieces. When you have $2 to distribute among 4 kids, or 5 kids, or 7 kids.
Or 8
If you have no nonsense discussion in between, okay? If you have $3 or 3 apples and there are 8 kids, you have to distribute them equally. You'll say distribute up to 8 equal pieces. Everybody gets.
Wouldn't the ratio be 8:3?
Huh?
Would the ratio be 8:3?
No, it would be 2 remainder 2.
No, ratio.
Ratio is 3 by 8.
Oh.
And it's 2 remainder 2.
Okay, remainder is that should not be coming here. Okay, we talk about ratio. 3 by 8 is 3 by 8. See, let's say Sania tells me that okay, for me to come to your class, where should I come? Will I tell my address? I will say there's a next door neighbor who lives in this particular house. Don't go there. Walk 5 steps backward. Then you'll see another house on the left hand side. Don't go there. Then you do one thing. Keep moving backward 20 more steps. That is when you see my house. No use.
That's the last.
That is a useless information to misguide people.
What does that wait? What do they mean by like small steps or ginormous steps?
That is another attempt to waste time. Don't do that. What I'm saying is, give answer which is to the point. Okay? If she says, what is your address? I'll say my address is 9401 Jericho Drive. This is where you have to take left when you come to the Falcon View Drive. Simple. And then everybody can locate this place. Otherwise, if I keep on giving the same kind of address, imagine how much problem the postman will have who comes every day to my house. Yeah?
Because there's one 10005 behind the house.
Okay. So now coming back to this point, what I was saying was, this is a fraction. What this means is something that is not a whole number or a natural number. Something that is divided into smaller pieces. This is partial number. Okay, that is what when it comes to fraction. 1 by 3, meaning one thing divided into 3 people equally. 2 by 4, $2 distributed among 4 people equally.
2 apples.
2 apples divided among 4 kids. Or
Or something.
2 houses where 4 families are living together, distributing their space equally. Yeah. Now, okay. No. It is very tempting to talk, but talk that is important. Okay. I'll not be always loud, but see, it is not good. If you guys think about it, if I leave you guys for one day, saying today the kids will decide how the class will go, we'll do 0 in that class. I can guarantee you guys. You'll do 0. With me getting so much of bad number shouting at people, then also we are wasting at least 30% of the time of the class. Just trying to control you guys. If I let you guys do, imagine how worse, how chaotic it will be. How chaotic it will be.
Wait, so
And people who know about it are already dancing.
my class would be ChatGPT.
30% to a fraction would be 30 hundredths.
Well, that's
Okay, done. Everybody happy now? Come back to class. Okay? So, now when we talk about fractions, who all knows how to add? Oh, everybody here. Who all knows how to add or subtract? Not you. You, if you know, that's good. I'll ask the same question when I come to grade 5. So, who all knows how to add fractions?
Wait, I'm like a
Keep quiet. Don't
Is it
understand.
4th grade?
Only 4th grade. Who all knows how to add fractions? Kind of. That will not work. I will just do one addition. I'll buy sellotape and stick it on your faces going forward, so that I will take it out when I want you guys to talk.
Only talk.
Okay. Okay. You guys have to get the message in some way. I don't know if there's any amicable way left now. If somebody is to add this, I will not ask anybody to come here. First thing I will do is LCM.
That's what I said.
Whenever I am dealing with fractions,
LCA.
I will do LCM. Yeah?
Isn't it LCA because it's lowest
Hands
common
down.
addition?
They have to.
LCM. We'll do LCM.
Lowest
Do you know what is
common
LCM?
Addition.
Yeah,
Not you.
no, not exactly. I forgot what I bet, but I don't.
Because you are not practicing and then you have enough time to laugh in the class. Don't do that.
Could you also reduce it to 3/9 to 1/3?
I'm not paying attention to you because I want to save time for you, beta. You have to understand that. You here. Do you know what is LCM?
Yeah. Lowest
Okay.
common multiple.
Lowest common multiple.
No, I.
You have not paid attention to all the classes. You are not remembering what we have learned already so many times. And then also you are in a hurry to go home. Start test result will come. So don't spoil your own. I don't know, yeah. I don't know how I explain things to you guys. Okay. LCM is everybody here. Don't be friends. Be a student first.
Can you speak English?
Are you writing something? Will the sky fall apart? No. Wait. Okay. So LCM means lowest common multiple. How do we find that? There is a very simple way of doing it. Look at the denominator. Okay. I mean, let's say when I say LCM, I'm trying to find out the LCM for the denominators. 4 and 9. The smallest number I'll pick up. If I pick 2, will it divide both? Does 4 and 9 both come in the table of 2? No, right? So that's okay. Let me pick the smaller of the two. 4 1s are 4. 9 remains 9. Now the next smallest number apart from 1 is 9. 9 1s are 9. Once you have 1 here, then you look at whatever you have here and multiply them. 4 into 9. 36. 36 is the LCM for 4 and 9. What it means is this is the smallest number that can be divided by 4 and 9 both. Clear? Clear? Now, let me give you one example. If somebody says find out the LCM for 3, 9 and 7. Okay? You will then not just multiply them. What you will do is, okay, 3, 9, 7. Let me pick up a smallest number. Give me a pen. I'll pick up the smallest number which can divide all of them or many of them. 3, okay, 3, 9 and 3 both come in the table of 3. Let me pick 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. 7 doesn't come, I'll keep 7 as is. 1 is gone, the next smallest number is 3. 3 1s are 3, 7 remains 7. Next smallest number apart from 1 is 7. 1, 7 1s are 7, done. I have 3, 3 and 7, that makes it 63. 9 3s are 63. This is the LCM, that means you can divide 63, this is the smallest number that can be divided by 3 and 9 and 7. So LCM in true sense means lowest common multiple, and that is always, you're always looking at lowest common multiple of certain numbers, meaning a number which is the smallest possible number that can divide by all the numbers for which you're trying to find the LCM. Okay? Now LCM is the base for this guy. What you do is, first thing is you find out the LCM. So the LCM for this guy came at 36. Okay, I'm just noting it down. That came in my rough work, right? I picked 4 and 9, 4 and 9, 4 1s are 4, 9 remains 9, 1, 1, 9 1s are 9. 4 9s are 36. So that's my LCM. I write 36 here. Then pick up the first number, first fraction here. Look at this denominator. How many times of this is 36? 4 9s are 36. So start a bracket, write 9. And then multiply that with what I have in the numerator. Look at the sign, put it here. Start another bracket. First one is done, second one I am starting. How many times of this is 36? 4. Multiply that with the numerator. 9 1s are 9 plus 4 3s are 12 by 36. 12 plus 9, 21 by 36. This is my answer. Now, same thing. If somebody says, I will give a little complicated one. 1 by 8 plus 2 by 9 minus 6 by 8. If I do that, there is no difference. Everything works as is. I will again do the same thing. I will look at the denominator. What are the numbers? 8, 9 and 8. Okay? So let me try to find out the LCM. I see that 8 is the smallest of the number and then it is common also. 8 1 ja 8, 9 remains 9, 8 1 ja 8. Whoever is laughing right now, don't spend your energy and time laughing, okay?
Okay.
Now I got to know who is laughing.
That was common. That was
Yeah?
making me. Come on.
Okay, so, okay, here, 8 times are 72, this is the LCM now. I found the LCM. I do the same thing again, very boring stuff, repeated stuff, but I just need to do it carefully. Pick up the first number, start with the bracket. How many times of 8 is 72? 9. What is there in the numerator? 1. Bracket closed. What is the sign? Plus. Bracket start. Picking up the second number. How many times of 9 is 72? 8. 9. Who said 4?
I said 8.
8. Yeah, it is 8. 9 is 72. So I write 8. Then look at the numerator. 2. Bracket closed. What is the sign now? Minus. How many times of 8 is 72? 9. Multiply that with the numerator. Yes. Now simplify this. 9 1 are 9. Plus 8 2 are 16. Minus 9 6 are 54.
That's a negative.
That's a negative. I don't mind. I don't mind. Yeah. So be it addition or subtraction with with fraction, no big deal. It's easy. Okay. Say it's all the same thing. You just have to be careful with the sign.
That's negative 39.
I don't care. Like I always say, I don't care about the answer. See, and I'm not saying that because I'm arrogant or rude. Because my objective is not to tell you the answer. My objective is to teach you the process. That's why I'm focusing on
That's how
that.
you get the
Why are we
answer.
gonna go to our fifth grade mathematical?
You should hold it for 5 more minutes.
I did this.
Okay, so fraction, addition, subtraction we did. Okay,
You need to go.
that is where you will miss. I will not try. And you are not watching videos also.
I'm the bro. My dad forces me to watch video at the middle of
No,
the
no.
night.
So I'm saying you guys are not watching video. That's why you are not paying attention in the class, not revising it, not doing practice. Only God can help.
That's because you're smart.
Come back.
That's what you're smart.
What are you looking at?
Aaron, this is not discipline. Okay, now addition, subtraction, fraction you got. Multiplication, division I'm not teaching right now.
You already told me.
I have taught that, but just go through the video one more time of fractions. I'll give you a link for that one, okay? Watch it. Or if I don't give you a link, your dad has it actually. You can find it from
Oh,
there.
estimating.
One by one. Arif, come down. You're not the teacher. You also come down. Okay, so multiplication, division, you will try once. Let me know. You have 5 days, okay? Before the next class. Next class will be in person. I'll be here next weekend. Anyway.
Also, the next, the movie start, that's gonna happen in the next 5 days. So Thursday, this grade start will happen.
Let's not worry about the start test. Let it go to wherever it wants to go. Let's chat. Stop there. Stop there. I'm trying to stop. I'm giving you guys a clue. And you are not getting it. That means you need to get more intelligent. Just talking chat GPT doesn't make you intelligent.
Yeah.
Now, so Sania, Rishan, fraction, multiplication, division. I want you guys to find out the video from the channel, watch it once, practice some, ask your parents to give you some questions, and then come to me if you have any doubt. I'm not doing it now because if I try doing repeat of everything, it's not productive. Hands down, hands
I
down.
think it's a rocket sense
Go
because
ahead.
also,
Go ahead. If you want to go to bathroom, go
I
ahead.
can actually mess the whole lesson because actually,
No explanation. Come back after 5 minutes. Lesson will be done.
I did
Okay.
4th grade already.
Okay, yeah. So decimals. Decimals. Do you guys know how to convert decimal into fraction?
Yes.
Yes.
Everybody? Everybody? Everybody?
Yes.
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 If you're saying yes, that's good. If you have slightest of doubt in your mind, do that video one more time, watch it, do some sums, ask your parents to give you some sums, and be confident before the exam. This is called preparation. If you don't do preparation, there'll be a problem. Okay? So this is for 4th grade. So whatever is remaining, Sania, there are 2 topics that you talked about. You will send me a text message with your dad's help, and then we'll fix up a date and time when we can do that. Okay? And that has to be next week only. It cannot go beyond that, because after that I'll be only remote for next 2 weeks and you'll not see me. Okay? Alright, let's come to 3rd grade quickly. What all you have, which we have not covered yet? Go one by one. Just say the name of the topics before Arab comes. I'm sure you'll be done.
Addition, subtraction, multiplication on the number line, time, cubing and 3D shapes, the area, perimeter, fractions, division, estimation.
Okay. So we have looked at area, perimeter we talked about. So that covers your this thing. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division we talked about. That should cover it. So you have any doubt with division? Multiplication I'm not even worried. Division, are you clear? Do you want to do one division?
Yeah.
Come on.
Because I do.
Easy.
Easy. He's in 3rd grade. He's a baby.
No, wait,
Yeah,
does that be the remainder way or the?
No, let him do the division. Let's not worry about too many ways. If I have to divide 246 by 4, how will you do it? Do you know how to divide it? No? We did that. We did one of it just now. What division you know?
Basic division, like division, 1 digit into digit numbers.
I think it means like 4 divided by 24.
Something like that? Okay. Is that what comes in your class? But I'm teaching you one thing. That will be more than enough for you till 4th grade, okay? So let's say somebody says divide this. Let's say this, okay? So you have to divide this number by 4. Okay? I'll pick up the first digit, 2. Is it bigger than 4? No. I'll pick one more. I'm taking 2 digits, 24. Is it bigger than 4? Yes. How many times of 4 is 24?
6.
Yes. Then one digit comes down by itself. Okay? The next digit is 5. It will come down by itself. Now, is it bigger than 4? Yes. 4 1 ja? 4. 1 remainder. Now, there is nothing left here. Nothing that you can do further. Okay? I'm not teaching you decimal right now. I don't want to complicate this for you. So now, when you divide this by this, your answer is this, and this is your remainder.
Kumar,
Yeah?
when you usually do, you like want to put a 0 so it's not like in the hundreds place.
You can do that. That's another way of doing it. So once you pick one digit, in the first step you can still avoid that, because that way it
It's not
because
easy.
yeah, I mean you can choose. I mean it's okay. So this is the division part. Okay, whatever division you knew, and if you know this, if somebody says okay divide something by 7, 497. You know the same approach. You know the table of 7 anyways. You say first one, okay, this works. 2 digits if I pick, 4, 7, 7 are 49. Done. One digit comes by itself. Is it bigger than or equal to 1? Only 7 1 is 7. No remainder. All good. This is the answer. Yeah? Back to you. You can go back to your seat. You want to go to bathroom?
Isn't it 61 remainder 1?
Yes.
Yeah, but still, it's 61. Could we also
61
estimate it down?
No, wait. You're losing time.
Or 61.
You're losing time.
Time,
Yeah.
come back.
Yeah. So division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, I don't worry about you much. Area perimeter we talked about. And what was next? What else was there?
Fractions, estimation, time, retrieval, 3D shape.
So fractions also we saw just now, right? Fraction, addition, subtraction we saw. Multiplication, division, I don't think it will come to you for sure. If it comes, let me know. I'm here next week, 6 to 7 p.m. Just talk to you that. No. Yeah, you can come. Obviously, everybody can come. Okay, so, okay. Not doing any, what do you call it? Hindi में बोलते हैं ना gap. You're not doing any gap.
Chup karo.
नहीं चुप करो नहीं. You're not doing any gap here. Okay, so, your topics are covered pretty much. If there is something that is missing, estimation, are you clear about estimation? Yeah? If you have any doubt, let me know. Now time has come for you.
Yes, can I go first? No. Can I go first?
No, you will just tell the topic name first. We'll just cover.
Yeah, can I say the topics first? I mostly have all of it.
Now, Shan, Kavya, and everybody else, you just sit quiet. Sit quiet without asking even smallest any question. The way I was stopping Arav and Advik. Okay?
That was my freedom. I'm not free.
And no noise. No unwanted discussion. Now, let's look at. You are waiting for this now you are wasting it. And you stay stable, very stable, that's very much important. If you are not comfortable that way, you sit on the floor and do some meditation like this.
Like that, yeah.
Take deep breath and be calm. That's very important. And that will help you. Okay? Meditation is very much important. Not right now at home. I'm saying when you get distracted, when you have to calm yourself down, stay productive,
And it
take deep
and
breath
it also takes all your stress away.
and don't talk.
It takes
Because talking adds to stress. Don't do that.
Okay, so
Yeah. Shh. I'm just listing down the topic. Doesn't matter. Nobody gets a brownie point for that. Okay, start.
addition, subtraction, multiplication, division.
Okay.
Order of
I will not even talk about that. Okay, what is
order of
it?
operations, adding, subtracting,
Slow.
multiplying, and division.
No, slow. What was the next topic after addition subtraction?
Order of operations.
Order operation, okay.
Adding and subtracting decimals, multiplying and dividing decimals, adding and subtracting fractions, multiplying.
And you have to go slow so that I can absorb that and I can do something about it. Otherwise I'll just listen and forget.
Adding and subtracting
Out of-
fractions.
Back.
I think he wants to do meditation.
Yeah.
Back.
Multiply.
Let's learn first.
Multiply and divide fractions.
Okay. So go a little slow. Order operation, that is the only thing that I found of interest. After that one, what was the next third
Financial
topic?
literacy,
Financial literacy, okay.
data and graphing,
Data and graphing, okay. Data and graphing,
That's part of graphs.
financials,
no.
okay.
Place value, 2D
Place-
and 3D shapes, line braid.
2D and 3D shapes.
This is geometry.
Yeah. Line, ray, and line segments.
Okay.
Fractions to percentage and decimals.
Okay. Fraction, percentage and decimals.
Yeah, we learned it. It's easy.
Okay. Fractions we anyways learn. Decimals we learn. Percentage is what?
Can I add something here? He missed something.
I'll come to you.
Probability.
No, why not get probability?
We are going to take different.
Yeah, no, it's not
Okay.
Don't go far.
Stop lying.
Area and perimeter and volume.
Okay, area perimeter volume.
Algebra.
You went algebra. Basic algebra.
Calm yourself down, Beta.
Time and composites.
Huh?
Time and composites.
Say that again?
Time and composite numbers.
Primary and comprehensive. Okay. Now Ishan, you go back. Whatever ideas I give you guys, that becomes destructive, unfortunately. Okay.
Estimation.
Okay. That's it. Let's see.
The biggest thing our teachers said,
No theory. Tell me what is missing here.
round off. Rounding is a big thing, like that's what rounding.
Rounding is the smallest thing.
Yeah, that's estimation.
That's estimation. Well,
Okay.
it's estimation.
Rounding
Just
is
say
estimation.
estimation.
Okay.
What is estimation?
Nobody has to put that effort to prove each other right or wrong. We are trying. Because if you don't concentrate, if you keep on shaking all the time.
A way to remember rounding is 5 or
No.
more is short,
We'll come-
form
we'll come.
S letter rest.
We'll come to that. We'll come to that.
It's easy.
He's dancing.
Oh.
Your brother.
No. Everybody calm down first.
I'll do
There are few things. I will have to create a poster for you guys for don'ts. Dancing, singing is not allowed in the class.
Can I create the poster?
No.
Bro.
No. I'm not here looking at anybody's
Yes.
creativity. You guys have shown enough creativity in the class. I'm pissed off with that. Let's not talk about it. So, laughing, dancing is not allowed in the class.
That's not
If there is something that makes us all laugh together, that is understood.
Oh, I got another one.
But then if we just do it for the sake of wasting time, don't do it. Okay.
Word problems.
What problems? For 5th graders is way too far. We'll still talk about it, okay? Okay. Any topic that is missing? Ishan? Kavya, just calm down. Put your hands down. Stay stable. No stretching, no stress, no pressure.
Least and greatest with decimal. So we're going to see which one.
decimal fraction.
No, it's
No. I can go on debating about it for next 20 minutes and that is of no use. Let's not do that. Let's
Actually, there's one important one.
Huh?
Fractions to fraction to decimal. We're gonna learn that too.
Okay. Now let's go one by one. Order of operation. It's only a question for Arav and Advik.
In my room.
She's not here.
Is that interesting?
Wait, you like one?
Okay.
Whoa.
What nonsense is going on?
He's turning back. I'm not.
Calm down. I said everybody will stay quiet, listen to me, and let's figure out what we know versus what we don't. Okay? Now, first of all, order of operation. Who is not clear between you both? What? It's easy. We start with
We keep PEMDAS.
you. Okay, that I don't want to talk about it. PEMDAS irritates me because you put PEMDAS everywhere. But good that you know it. I'm happy that you know it. You call it PEMDAS, you call it BODMAS. Both are same. Yeah.
It's PEMDAS multiplication first, but is it BODMAS division first?
Do you ever do division first? You convert division to multiplication only.
Oh.
So, done. Now, so order operation we are clear about. I'll not waste time there. Now, data and statistics. We have learned about
X and Y charts.
bar chart, pie chart, line chart. These are the
Did we learn seven leaf?
say again.
Did we learn 7 leaf?
No, we didn't.
We did not. So that'll be one thing that we can
It's
do
a
offline.
start for me too.
We can okay, 7 leaf we can do it
Yeah.
in the next class, okay? Remind me that. Okay?
But it's pretty easy for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So okay. I'm stopping you guys. I have 5 more minutes before the kids come from the next grade, okay?
Yes.
So
Oh, that's good. I want to be more big brain.
That's a bad thing. That was.
done?
You just said yes, bro.
Are you guys done?
You're wasting time.
Are you guys done?
I'm done.
I'm done.
Okay. So data representation and statistics. We have seen it. We are clear about their pie chart, their bar chart, their line chart, line graph. There are tables, and that gives us an intuitive view of the information. It's the same information in a more interpretable way, where people look at it to make quick decisions. That's about data and statistics. If you guys have any question, let me know. You have Telegram also, right? You can always message me saying this point I am not clear. Give me a sample, I explain it there. Okay. If you are coming to the class, wonderful. If you are not able to come, that is also fine. We'll figure it out. Okay. So I'm going one more.
I'm input output table.
Okay. So I am.
Oh yeah, rules
Functions.
and rules and functions.
Rules and functions. So okay. We can learn that in the next class.
Coordinates.
Okay.
Those
We can learn in the next
What is
class.
our data?
5 minutes is 5 minutes.
Oh, my dad came.
Okay. So you and Goshika can anyways go if your dad came.
Hi guys.
Stay here. Adam, your time will get over quickly. Financial literacy. Leave that. I'm very sensitive for the time. You guys are wasting time. Now, financial literacy. What does it mean? Money. You talk about loan. You talk about debt. You talk about interest.
We don't talk about that stuff. We talk about like debit cards, credit cards, gross income and net income. We talk about taxes.
Okay, that's it.
And ways to pay.
Okay, so financial literacy actually talks about how do we manage our finances in day-to-day life.
Yeah.
You guys probably have no exposure to this. People like me who are parents, they have more exposure
I
to it.
really don't understand.
Calm down, you listen, then you'll understand. If you only talk, you'll not understand anything. Okay? So, first thing is, if I'm getting salary, that is my budget for the month. That is what helps me decide. If I'm getting more salary, I can spend more. If I get less salary, I can spend less. Okay? So, that is my starting point. Now, whatever money I get, the government knows about it because I'm making the money through legitimate means. I'm not stealing anybody's money. So, that money, that earning is known to the government. So there is a certain portion of my salary that goes to government because government provides me the ability to have my kids go to school, no fee. You're not paying any fee, he's not paying any fee, I'm not paying any fee for both of my kids, right? So government gives that facility and that facility comes in lieu of the taxes that I pay.
Well, we just learned like how ways to pay, which is 4 ways, which is debit card, credit card.
No, so I'm coming
checks.
to that. Hold it.
And phones.
Okay, so that is the next thing. When I'm getting salary, I'm paying taxes. Very simple. And that's a certain percentage of my salary. If I get more money, I pay more taxes. If I get less salary, I pay less
We
tax.
also learned the types of tax, income tax.
Yeah. Hey, Mithun. Mithun, you can just pick a chair. Let me finish this quickly, okay? 2 more minutes. So, that is tax part of it. Then comes when you have to spend money out of here. I want your attention here, okay? So when we get money, then we spend it also, right? Yeah, we buy something from the store, we buy things from the Costco, we go to Walmart, go to
Target.
whatever. So there are different ways of making the payment. You can carry cash with you always, you can withdraw money from the bank, or you can keep the credit card or debit card with you. Debit card is nothing but is a card that knows how much money you have in your bank account. Hands down. Let me complete.
Debit card.
So debit card, no, hands down. That's what I'm saying. If you talk, you will not understand. If you listen, then you will understand. So when you debit card is nothing but a card that knows how much money you have in your account. This is money that you have with you. You can either withdraw from the bank or you can spend it using a debit card. Credit card is like credit. You are borrowing money from somebody. So when you have a credit card from, let's say, a bank, that means you did not have money, but they gave you the ability to make purchase and then charge you taxes on the top
Oh
of
yeah,
that.
we also learned the consequences. Because
Correct.
they charge you interest and then
Interest
they
on that.
debit.
Yes. Correct. So when you have a credit card, that means if you are spending money with a credit card, you are spending somebody else's money. And they will get extra money from you, that is called interest. That's why credit card transactions are not considered very good for your financial planning. Okay? So credit card, debit card, taxes, budget, this is what we talked about. Now tell me if you have a question.
I don't know what prepaid debit card is.
You don't need to worry about it.
What is it? Well, no, because because we learned that.
Okay, whatever doubts you have about prepaid credit card, we'll talk about it. From Monday to Friday, I'm giving
Just
you
like
one
when
video.
someone gives you a card that already has money in it, you have to pay it back.
Prepaid credit card is a drama. It's a drama. It's not a credit card. It's not a debit card. It's like you are giving some money to somebody. They'll say, okay, this is a credit card. You're not paying credit for anybody. You are using your own money. It is used for building a credit history for certain people. It is not a good. You can carry on. Okay, you're done. So. That's what I'm saying. Prepaid credit card is little misleading. It's not a credit card, it's not a debit card. It's a mix of both. That's why I was saying to us it is more of a drama. Here, Arab. So now 2D and 3D shapes, percentage, area, perimeter, and volume. This is what we'll cover in the next class for you.